Hello boys and girls, my name is Roxanne and I'm going to be teaching you how to make these origami birds. Yes, you don't need anything for this project. All you need is just paper, no sticky glue and no sharp scissors. So let's get started. So I've taken a square sheet of paper and folded it into a triangle. Take one of the edge, bring it to the other edge and make a triangle. From there, take one of the edge, bring it over to the other edge. So now you're going to make another triangle. Use your thumb to press it down neatly and then open the triangle. Hold your left hand like this and press one side down. Flip it over and do the same thing. Make sure you press everything neatly. Press it down neatly. Once that is done, you will bring one of the corners to the center line that you can see here. Very neatly. Press it down. Do the same thing on the other side too. Flip it over and repeat. Bring one of the edge to the center line. Press it down, bring the other edge to the center line and press it down. Now you will take this triangle and fold it downwards. Open both these flaps and fold the triangle once again so that it's neat. After that, open all these flaps that you just folded in. Now take one flap from below and open it up like you're opening the mouth. Press your hand on this triangle here and then with the help of your index finger push this back. So now you're going to form a diamond shape like so. Bring these edges to the center line and then press it down. Flip it over and do the same thing. Make sure to keep one hand on the triangle. Using your index finger, push it down and make your diamond like so. Press it down. Then turn it to the side and pull this on top. So turn it to the side and pull this flap on top and give it a light press. After that, you will fold both these flaps inwards just at the tip. So this is the beak, this is the head and the beak. So I'm going to fold it downwards like this. This is the beak and the head, and then just press it down. Okay. Then after that, just push with your index finger slightly and fold it towards the other direction. So this is what you get, something like this, and then just press. So that's the beak. In the same way, you make the tail by folding it upwards, giving it a light press, and then folding it out. So the hollow portion will face down. And then just give it a light press. So you can take out the tail as much as you want and then give it a light press. So this is the tail of the bird. Now all that is left to do are the wings. You just have to curl the wings a little bit. You can use fat marker or just curl it with the help of your hand. So I'm just going to pull it slightly down like so, and do the same thing on the other side as well. And that's it. You can add an eye here or draw whatever you feel like on your bird. And that's it. Here you have your cute little origami bird ready. Thank you for being so patient with me. I hope you loved this session with me. Don't forget to send us your pictures and videos to saintanthonisvakola@gmail.com to be featured in an after video. Till then, stay safe, be healthy and awesome. See you next time.